So, if you guys don't know, ang medyo judgmental ng audience nun. So, you only will know kung maganda yung pelikula mo after the movie kasi magpapalakpakan sila or medyo tahimik. So, ito na, I think it was maybe the 5th time na napanood ko. So, medyo sanay na ako, alam ko na mga mangyayari. Last 5 minutes, last 3 minutes of the film, kinakabahan na kami ni Raver. As in, hindi kami mapakali. Kasi syempre parang nagustuhan kaya nila. Or magka-clap ba sila. Ito na, closing credits na, house lights come on. Palakpakan lahat ng tao. Yung nasa harap ko tumingin sa akin, umiiyak. So parang kami ni Rapiolo, medyo naiyak na kami kasi hindi kami makapaniwala. And that was my experience working with them. Diba? Medyo natagalan lang yung next project namin, but there's always a reason for everything.
Yeah.
Is now By Bust, before this Reconnect is By Bust. We're doing By Bust with Ann Curtis. And sinasabi ko sa inyo, nakita ko yung teaser nung isang araw, wow. I mean, kung hindi ako kasama sa project na to, baka umiyak ako.